We all know them, our industrious honey bee. She flies tirelessly back and forth between flowers and the beehive.
They are extremely useful, not only because it produces honey for us, but also because it is an enormously important component in the ecosystem and for agriculture as a whole.
Without them, we would be able to harvest much less fruit and vegetables. According to a study by the University of Hohenheim, the global economic output of honeybees amounts to around 195 billion US dollars.
In agriculture, large monocultures are often planted. These are sometimes huge fields where only one vegetable, one type of tree, or one crop is grown.
Almost every plant species has its own specific pest. This can be an insect, a fungus, or even a bacterium.
To prevent these pests from multiplying en masse because they find ideal conditions on their food plant, they are controlled with insecticides, pesticides, or fungicides.
These huge fields are sprayed extensively with all kinds of neurotoxins.
The toxins end up in the soil and therefore also in our groundwater. The water not only becomes a death trap for the pests, but can also severely affect people's health.
Bees and other insects drink the water or ingest the toxins on the sprayed flowers.
They die and are sometimes wiped out in entire regions.
This honeybee has ingested poison. Her nervous system is beginning to fail.
She is visibly confused. She can no longer clean herself and now looks very bedraggled.
We don't know whether she is in pain. Some scientists say that insects have no pain receptors and therefore cannot feel pain, while others believe that pain may be felt via other nerve pathways. Her movements become increasingly uncoordinated and eventually uncontrollable.
And finally, she can no longer hold herself up, falls to the ground, and dies.
This bee has noticed that something is wrong with it. It has stripped itself of the pollen it has already collected.
She tries to clean herself and realizes that she can no longer see properly.
She kept wiping her eyes.
Their movements also gradually become uncontrollable.
She tried to fly and got stuck on a leaf.
About 10 minutes later, she fell to the floor and also died. A bitter end. Until later?
Until then.